Hey, boy. You know you gotta cook it before you eat it, right? What up, O?
What up, chef?
What's your favorite Haitian food?
Legumes! Use limes, hot water, and salt. Rinse with cold water.
Rinse it off well, and then we're gonna season with some APs and some salt. Make sure the seasoning is all over that bad boy, and you're gonna sear it until it's golden brown.
Chop those veggies, chef.
Now in that same pan, let's sear those veggies until they're really soft. And don't forget to add some more APs and some salt. Let's add some tomato paste, mix it well, and smash it.
Put back the meat.
Top it off with the spinach and the carrots, and bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna add some hot peppers with cloves, and of course the bouquet, baby, you already know.
Mix it well, baby.
Just cover it and let it cook a little longer, and
Ta-da!
enjoy.